Good morning. Another beautiful day in Smokies. It's a warm November morning. Getting ready to do Hemphill Bald and go check out the Swag. We're here right outside of the Appalachian Highlands Science Learning Center. Gonna walk up Purchase Road until we get up to the trailheads, and we're gonna finish up the last little bit of Cataloochee that we didn't finish the other day. Be able to knock that whole trail off from my map. Tell you what, stupid little squirrels, and keep thinking we're hearing potential bear, but it's crazy how loud these things are with all this freshly fallen leaves on the ground. Little guys sound really big. Always get disappointed. We think we see a bear, but just another squirrel. Come up our first trailhead marker. Get ready to, I think, go check out, get the shadow out of the way, Ferguson Cabin. That takes us up to Cataloochee Divide trail that we need to finish up. Beautiful day. Absolutely not a cloud in the sky. We made it to the Ferguson Cabin. Beautiful. All right. Back to our lunch spot from Friday. On Friday we did the 4.6 mile section of Cataloochee Divide, starting at Cove Creek Gap. Now we're doing the rest. We'll check out the Swag in a mile, Hemphill Bald after that. Beautiful day so far. Having fun. All right, been waiting to see this place for a long time. We finally made it to the Swag. Holy cow. What a beautiful place. This is incredible. Rogers Hideaway. Couldn't get even more beautiful. Got a secluded little spot up here in the shade. Wow. Absolutely incredible. Oh, shadow out of the way. About a mile to Hemphill Bald. A little bit of contrast shots. Here we are around the Swag property, around the park border, and Smokies. Swag, Smokies. Quite a difference. Yeah, just we're having too much fun there. The Smokies had to remind us that we're actually hiking in the mountains. Give us a nice little steep uphill portion on the way to Hemphill. Still fun though. Got our first view of Hemphill Bald here, and also finishing up officially the Cataloochee Divide trail. Got one more trail marked off, 900 miler. Making us earn this.
Oh yeah.
This climb, get up to the Bald on the Hemphill Trail is it's a steep one. The views from the top would be worth it. Absolutely gorgeous. We're getting close. Unbelievable views from up here. We officially made it up to Hemphill Bald. Wow. Arguably gotta be one of the best views in the Smokies. Alright, so over this general direction is where the Swag is, where we ate some snacks. See if I can find it on camera here. Right down there, this general area is where the Science Center is, kind of the start of our day. That means we started down on Purchase Road, down this general area. That's quite a bit of context to how far we've climbed up here.